have something to eat.
Like what?
Like maple candy. Now what's up this Susie's kitchen? Welcome to Susie's kitchen. It's maple candy day. I'm so exciting. I gotta do is boy maple syrup. Thank you. Get your mom and dad to help. It's gonna get real hot in here. We're going to make some crystals to make maple candy. Let's get started. Here we go. We're gonna make those crystals. Let's get a pan. Oh, there's nothing in it.
What are we gonna put in it?
Maple syrup. Can I put it in there?
Mm-hmm.
Look at this little guy in. It is. Can I just drink some? Mmm. Good. It smells like maple candy. Mmm. Good. I'm going to drink a little more. Now dump it in.
Cheers. Ooh, keep it over the bowl. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
One more sip. Wait, I want one more sip.
Okay, that's gross.
Maple syrup. Maple syrup. Bye-bye. Kids, get your the safety gloves.
Why do you wear safety gloves?
Because you don't want to burn your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Clap, clap. On the stove. Get your mom and dad to help. Or don't. And you don't do it. Don't worry, the stove not on yet. So the safety gear.
Okay.
Why do you always get the safety gear? Is it hot?
It is hot. See how it's getting red down there? That means it's getting hot.
Don't put the stove shades. This is red.
Mm-hmm. Here it comes. It's boiling.
Don't touch it.
Right, don't touch it. Okay, ready? We're at 230. Just about there. That looks pretty good. So we're gonna turn that off, and it's still hot. I'm gonna move it over here. We're gonna let it cool a little bit, okay? So once it cools down, we're gonna put it in our molds, and then the sugars are gonna make crystals that stick together, and that's what's gonna make it hard. Okay, ready? I'm gonna pour it into the mold, and you can watch, okay?
I put them in the gummy bears.
Mm-hmm.
Or candy's done. Now I gotta take it out of the mold and eat it. Here's what it looks like when it's hard. Now I gotta take it out of the mold. Mmm. Keep it cooking. Bye. 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 If you're happy and you know, you want to, if you're happy and you know, clap your hands, clap, clap.